Hey guys, I'm taking a little break in between Thanksgiving prep and cooking to eat something because I haven't ate all day and it's like, I don't know what time it is. It's like 5. And we went to this local Mexican restaurant that's right down the street from our house called Mi Fogata. And we heard that they had, we looked on their reviews and everything, and we saw that they had like mole, and we've been trying to find a really good mole place. And we heard they had really good mole, and we went there. But you guys, I mean, I'm going to give this place a chance. But when we went there and we ordered our food, didn't look like anybody was actually cooking. We heard the microwave a good, 3 times?
A good 3 times.
So today is the special for their mole. They won awards for it. This restaurant was originally in Pilsen, which is another neighborhood in Chicago. We live in North Center. So, I don't know, y'all. We just gonna see. We gonna see. I mean, I don't like the fact that I heard the microwave and I'm expecting fresh food, but I don't know. I'll just give you this one. And we'll see. So here it is. That's a mad little chicken leg. This was, y'all, wow. She says chicken, this is so tiny. What the heck? Wow, y'all. This is, I asked her, I was like, what pieces of meat come with it? She said chicken breast. This is the chicken breast. This is not a whole chicken breast. This is a piece of a chicken breast, a wing. Comes in it, and a chicken leg. So, and then normally this costs, I think $13 or $14, but we got the specialist today on Wednesday, and it comes with rice and beans. As you can see, I just want y'all to be able to see. This better be some super delicious food, so y'all can see these portion size for this, because they regularly costs like $13 or $14. How's it? No? You don't? Nate?
I mean, it's more like the spices, but it's just not good. Like,
and it comes with tortillas. Y'all, I'm hungry. They gave us like hella tortillas, but
it's probably something like say Lolo Palm. And there's like a mole sauce. It's called Lolo Pan. You know, so that's what I'm saying. Hopefully I'm saying it right.
It's fine if you don't know. Nobody cares. But I'll let y'all try it first. Y'all let me know. Ooh, dripping. No, y'all. Very, very unfortunate.
Bad.
This rice.
This is all disappointing. Even the beans suck.
The rice tastes funny. You taste these beans. They're covered in the mole sauce, which isn't good. This place was advertising all on the internet, and people are loving them. Maybe they had different people.
The rice I can't eat the rice.
It tastes weird.
Yeah.
The rice tastes weird, y'all. Like, I don't know if because they microwaved it like way too many times or what. Let me taste these beans.
I'm going to go get some tortillas.
We're going to have to go get more food.
Alright.
Because this ain't it. These beans ain't good either.
I'm going to throw this shit way outside.
I mean, the chicken.
I'll be hungry in 10 minutes. Like 2 small pieces of chicken.
We can eat the chicken, but I'm not eating the rice or the beans. These tortillas look like they might be homemade. But they were microwaved if they are homemade.
Yeah, no.
They're fresh tortillas, but y'all, no.
Look at this
we will never be back.
Look at this. What is happening to this tortilla? Went around my whiskey.
The tortilla wouldn't be. Oh. Drink it. No. Y'all, it's a no.
That's
so. Wow. I'm going to probably eat this chicken because I can take this chicken out and put something else on it. I'm probably going to just remove it from this and cover it with some other sauce because, y'all, we ain't trying to waste money. But we're going to need something else to eat. It ain't even nothing This is so disappointing. This is why I cook in the house. Y'all, it's like I didn't want to cook because I'm cooking right now for Thanksgiving. This is so disappointing. This mole don't even taste good. It tastes... Let me taste one, huh?
Some mole, pre-made mole powder.
It's pre-made mole. You can tell it's not...
It's
not homemade. It doesn't taste homemade at all.
The beans taste like
the beans and the rice and this little nasty salad.
This is ridiculous.
No. I don't know what people in Pilsen, I don't know, no disrespect to Pilsen. Maybe y'all had a fresh food. I don't see that restaurant. There was another restaurant there, Mediterranean place that was there for a while. And they didn't last. They weren't there for a while. They were new and they were gone. This place, I don't see them lasting. And honestly, every time I went by, I didn't see a lot of traffic there. There's a lot of Mexican restaurants right over here. So I was like, okay, maybe I'm just seeing them at different times. And they have supposed to have like some lunch buffet and a brunch buffet for Saturday and Sunday.
No.
We will not be back. This was a waste of like $25. Yeah. We're going to go get some tacos from the Mexican joint that we like food from, but we wanted some mole because that place doesn't have mole. This is microwave food. Bad. Waste of money. Thumbs down, guys. All day. Thumbs down. Never be back. We might mukbang our good food. I might come back and mukbang that. So, because this is very disappointing. Hope y'all pushing through with y'all Thanksgiving food. I'm still hungry. Very hungry. Ain't nothing all day. I'm like real upset. All right, y'all. I'll be back. Hopefully with some better food. If I won't, don't come back with the other tacos or tortas. I'll be back with my Thanksgiving food. I'll see y'all. Peace. Y'all, I couldn't even power through. Nate is about to go get me some more food. He ate some of his chicken, but my food went right here. Garbage, because that was nasty. Disgusting. I'll be back with some better food, y'all. I apologize that, ugh. It tasted like, it had a funny taste, funny aftertaste. They probably microwave it I don't know how many times. It was nasty, y'all. And I'm so hungry. I'm still very, very hungry. And hopefully I will be back smiling with some good food, because that wasn't it. That was a waste of money. People need, these businesses, that's why I don't be lasting. They be sitting there trying to serve people any old nasty, disgusting food. I think it's okay. There's no quality control. Maybe your food was good when you were in the other neighborhood, but here, no, boo-boo.
You don't survive.
You're not going to make it. That rent over there, rent here is high. And that's why ain't nobody in your restaurant like that. They haven't been open that long. They'll be gone soon. I promise. They'll be gone soon. All right, y'all. See y'all in a minute.